In this video, I am going to explain graph representation. Graph means collection of vertices and edges. So in this example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these are vertices and these are edges. Edge means connection between vertices. Okay, now there are two popular methods to represent a graph. We'll see how to represent this graph with the help of adjacency matrix. The first method, adjacency matrix. So adjacency matrix means in matrix format. With the help of matrix, we can represent this graph. See, in this example, the number of vertices are 5. So 5 by 5 matrix, we have to create 5 by 5 matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 vertices are there. So number of rows are 5 and number of columns also 5. Now, how to assign values to this matrix means these are rows and these are columns. See, 1 to 1. From 1 to 1, is there any edge between 1 to 1? No. Then assign the value 0. Okay. Now, 1 to 2 edge is there? Yes. All these are undirected edge. So, this edge is between 1 to 2, 2 to 1. So, 1 to 2 edge is there. So, value is 1. These two are adjacent, then assign value 1. Otherwise, assign value 0. See, 1 to 3. 1 to 3, edge is there, means these two are adjacent. Assign value 1. 1 to 4 also. 1 and 4 also adjacent. And 1 to 5. Is there any edge? No. It means these two are not adjacent. If these two are not adjacent, then assign the value 0. Next row. So, 2 to 1. 2 to 1 edge is there? Yes, 2 to 1 edge is there because this is undirected edge. 2 to 1 edge is there. 2 and 1 are adjacent. So, assign the value 1. 2 to 2, any edge, any self loop is there? No. So, assign value 0. 2 to 3 also, no edge, means 2 and 3 are not adjacent to each other. 2 and 4 are adjacent. 2 and 5 also adjacent. Like this, we have to assign values. Like this, we have to represent a graph. So, first of all, we have to create n by n matrix. See, n by n matrix. N means number of vertices. So, after creating the matrix, have to assign values means, for example, A is array name, then A of ij equals to 1 if I and j are adjacent. If these two are not adjacent, then A of ij value is 0. Just assign value 1 or 0. These two are adjacent, then assign 1, otherwise assign 0. See, for example, 2 is I. And I'm going to start j with 1. 2, 1. So, 2, 1 are adjacent. So, I have assigned value 1. 2, 2. No, not adjacent. So, assign 0. Like this, we have to assign the values. This is the first method, adjacency matrix. And one more, it is adjacency list. So, in adjacency list, we have to create linked list. With the help of linked list, we can represent this graph. So, here the total number of vertices are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For every vertex, we have to create a linked list. For one, adjacent vertices are, how many adjacent vertices are there? 2 is adjacent to 1, 4 is adjacent to 1, 3 is also adjacent to 1. See, 2 is adjacent to 1 and next 4 is also adjacent and one more it is 3 is also adjacent. So like this, for every vertex, we have to create one linked list and from 2. So, for 2, what we have to maintain in linked list means all adjacent vertices we have to write. So, for 2, adjacent vertices are 1 is adjacent and 4 is also adjacent. 3 is adjacent? No. 5 is also adjacent. So, like this, for every vertex, we have to create one linked list. See, finally, for 5. So, 5, 2 is adjacent to 5, 4 is also adjacent. 2 is adjacent to 5 and one more it is 4 is adjacent. So after 4, there is no next node. So this is null. It indicates null. So like this, for every vertex, we have to maintain one linked list. We have to create a linked list. With the help of linked list, we can represent the graph. This is with the help of array, with the help of linked list. Now, space complexity of this method is theta n square, because it is n by n matrix. N means number of nodes or number of vertices. So n by n matrix we have to create. So space complexity, it is theta n square. And coming to adjacency list, the space complexity, it is theta n plus 2e. See, n means number of nodes or number of vertices, and 2e means 2 into edges. Because why I have written 2e means, if we take one edge, this edge is 1 to 2 edge and 2 to 1. Twice we have written. See, 1 to 2 and 2 to 1 also we have written. So one edge we have written twice, because this is undirected edge. So we have written twice. So this is a space complexity. Dense graph means it's like a complete graph, edge from one node to all other nodes. Edges or from one node to all other nodes. See, from 1 to 2 edges there, 1 to 3. From one node to all other nodes, the edges are present, then that will call it as the dense graph. So in specially dense graphs, it's better to prefer this method, the first method, that is adjacency matrix. And sparse graph means only few edges are there in the graph. So in that case, the sparse graphs, so we can prefer this adjacency list method. Thanks for watching. Bye.